Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you head-to-head match versus Karlsruher Soccer Club in the icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this icon journey you will be play in Zinedine Zidane journey. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. And still confusing how you can complete the quest, how you can challenge the event, and you can get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap the play, tap the live events, and tap this one. Icon journey of Zinedine Zidane, a central attacking midfielder from France, debuted in Ligue 1 in 1989. Showed the great player 2 goals in his first national match also signal his rising on the international stage. Make sure you have this one. Zinedine Zidane with 82 OVR. And if you already win first 3 match, you are progress to another 3 match. In this match, you are going to face the Karlsruher from Germany. In second half, in minutes of 50 in 45, select and play. So in this match, you are playing as a Marseille, Olympic Marseille, where the Zinedine Zidane play in the old times where he's a younger age. He play in Marseille, Olympic Marseille. So make sure you win this match and you can unlock the next stage of this icon journey of Zinedine Zidane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.